what if the wound in your family isn't permanent? What if they are preparation? What if God is using your pain to position you for something greater? Hear me. Restoration is coming your way. Healing begins when you stop hiding and start confessing. Your family's wound do not have to define you. They can refine you. God is in the business of restoration. He can restore what was broken. He can heal what was wounded. In Joel chapter 2 verse 25, God promised us in His word, and He said, I will restore to you the years that the swarming locusts have eaten. Restoration is God's business. Restoration is God's specialty. Your family's pain is not the end of your story. God is in the business of restoration. He can redeem what was broken. Yes, He can heal what was wounded. The secret is this: restoration does not require perfection. Yes, restoration does not require perfection. It requires you to surrender. You do not have to fix everything before you come to God. You just have to come. Yes, you just have to come. In 60 minutes, identify one area of your family that needs restoration. Declare God's promise of restoration over it. Pray specifically on it. Declare this with me: God will restore what was lost. My family is being healed in the name of Jesus. I pray for you today. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. In the name of Jesus. Go in this peace till we'll meet again tomorrow on Morning Streams. God bless you. If you have found value today, please subscribe and drop a comment, like and share, and follow us on all our social media platforms for more daily devotionals, prayers, and prophetic declarations. Thank you and God bless you. See you tomorrow on Morning Streams. God bless you.